And there we have it. The Italian fish casserole. Flaky white fish, king prawns, and that scent of wonderful lemon. Right, today we are off fishing. I say we, it's me and my mate Carl. Just gonna go and pick him up. And the hope is we get a catch. We're not normally successful, but it's more about time down the beach, to be honest. So yes, we're off down to Southbourne, the other side of the New Forest. Quite a lot of success down there, lots of different species. So today I'm hoping to get a catch, bring it home, and I'm looking at doing a fish dish. So fingers crossed. Failing that, I shall go and get my catch from the local supermarket. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Hi guys, and welcome back to New Forest Feasts. Today we are making a fish dish. My wife and I call it the fish dish, but it's actually referred to as an Italian seafood casserole. And this is the recipe we've been working from for years. You can see it looks more like an ancient treasure map. It's stained, it's burnt, but it's been loved. So we're going to share that with you today, and I'll show you through all the ingredients. So this dish is going to be done in the slow cooker, and we need to have 500 grams of white fish. Traditionally it's going to be haddock, hake or pollock, but today I've got hake here and I've got a little strip of cod as well. And then we have 1 courgette, tin of chopped tomatoes, a nice large onion, fish stock, tomato puree, typical Italian style, a lemon, and then any form of shell pasta or macaroni, garlic, and then a little bit of caster sugar. So let's start cooking. lemon rind, the lemon juice. I like to strain it just to keep the pips out. And then we have 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and 2 teaspoons of caster sugar. And then a can of chopped tomatoes. Finally, salt and pepper. And then stir and bring to the boil. Now we've got this boiling, reduce the temperature a little bit, and then you can get the slow cooker onto a low heat for 3 hours, and then we can start layering it up. So while the slow cooker's warming up, these are the final bits to add to it. So first just chop and dice this. But while I'm doing this, I think it's a good opportunity just to say this is a new channel. If you want to subscribe for more content, please do. Help the channel grow. So now we can start layering up the slow cooker. First we're going to add the fish into it. Okay, so layering it at the bottom. You don't need to be too precise, just need to try and get the bottom relatively covered. Then add the pasta shells. And like I said, you can add any form of pasta shells, or you can add the macaroni. And then in with the peppers. And then in goes the rest of the recipe. Push it around to cover everything up. And then leave it cook for 2 to 3 hours until the fish is tender. Now it's all been added in. Give it a stir, but don't stir too deep because you don't want to be breaking the fish up at the bottom. And then cover and leave it cook for half an hour. Serve the nice crusty roll. And there we have it. The Italian fish casserole. Flaky white fish, king prawns, and that scent of wonderful lemon. Right, let's give it a go. So good. But of course the real judge of this is going to be my wife. This is the first time I've made this dish. Normally she makes it. I'll go and see how she likes it. See you next time.